the love for Monday. I gotta have it, the lust for living lavish. Gotta get that green paper stacking for Monday.
Hey, hello everybody and welcome to the Interns episode.
To the Interns
This is a live episode.
RocketMail.com.
We are standing here live, recording live. Hey Chi, what up Maxwell? How you guys doing out there?
It's good.
You guys having a good time? All right.
I figured.
You liking the show so far, Chi? Okay.
Mills is popping. I feel you on that,
Alright. So let's see. We are here today for one reason and one reason only, and that is to spread awareness about AIDS and HIV.
Yes.
But the moment of truth, the man you guys have been waiting for, has flown in kindly from Los Angeles, California to be with us today and share some laughs with us. We are here. We're waiting on Mr. Alex Thomas.
Definitely. But
So,
we hope that you all have been enjoying the performances that have been set forth upon you. Thank you.
What's up?
Shout out to Waleezy,
Holla, who want
Prolific,
breakfast?
you know what I mean?
Salsa, Nesby, Pink Ball, what's
Flavor
up? What's
Unit,
good?
all of y'all, much love, CBSA.
But I'm glad you guys enjoyed the show. I'm hoping you guys are having a great time. Are you guys having fun out there? I'm hoping y'all screaming right now.
All right, y'all
But let's see. We are here to tell you guys a little bit about Alex Thomas before he hits the stage.
Yeah.
He was born in Los Angeles, California. He grew up with a really big musical background. If you guys don't know this,
his mother was a classical pianist.
His mother was a pianist, not a
It
pianoist.
sounds like penis. I don't like saying that.
It's pianist. His father, if you guys don't know this, Alex Senior,
Was
Alexander, was a member of a great R&B history band.
Do you know which one?
Yeah, it says it right
Wind and
there.
Fire.
Earth, Wind and Fire.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's do this.
Tell us some more about Mr. Alex Thomas.
But
Maxwell.
Alex Thomas, he wasn't a man of stature within height or size. Sports wasn't his little forte.
I don't think you want to crack on a comedian. Maxwell,
I ain't cracking. I'm just saying.
Alex, get this man.
He the tallest dude in the
Alex,
world.
get this man. He called you short and fat.
So in kindergarten through 12th grade, all he could do was tell jokes.
But let's see.
Definitely.
Right after high school, he landed his first job in the entertainment business for a hit comedy show, In Living Color.
In Living Color.
But the thing is, he didn't write comedy for them. He wasn't even a writer for them.
What was
Guess
he
what
doing?
this man was doing?
What was he doing?
Choreography for the Fly Girls.
Get out of
This
here.
man is multi-talented.
He was
actor, singer, songwriter,
with
dancer,
With J-Lo?
all of that stuff. Yeah.
Crazy.
But
crazy.
while he was doing his work at Living Color, this is when he got a chance to meet Keenen Ivory Wayans and Damon Wayans, and they were the ones who basically pushed him into doing stand-up comedy.
Definitely.
So that's really started his stand-up career. And
That's a big push.
shortly after that, he met up with a man that we like to call Will Smith.
Willard Smith.
And he started writing for the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air for actually 3 seasons. So a lot of stuff we're seeing on the Fresh Prince probably came from Alex Thomas.
Which is big,
So what else?
Definitely
What else?
Well, he didn't stop there, of course.
Not even.
He can't stop there,
Not even.
He hit other sitcoms, he had his own Alex Thomas Live on BET, he
Okay.
did Straight Clowning, the
Okay.
comedy special.
Okay.
And he even had, he toured with, comedians like Sinbad, Jamie Foxx, Mark Curry, Damon Wayans,
Shit,
and even the
okay,
big
cool.
even the big dude, the big pop of comedy, Bill Cosby.
Not only did he
Poppin'.
share stage with them, but he also had his share of film and television roles. He played sidekick to Jamie Foxx on the sitcom Jamie Foxx.
Yeah.
For 3 seasons, actually.
That's
he also
big.
guest starred in the Wayans Brothers, Moesha, the Parkers, and all of us. He's also had such roles on the big screen like Batman Beyond, King of the Hill, Family Guy. He also appeared in several talk shows, including the Best Damn Sports Show, period.
Yeah.
On Fox, Jay Leno on NBC, the Premium Blend, Comedy Central. In addition, he's also appeared in such hit films as The Players Club,
Yeah,
Two Can Play at That Game, Just Married, Babs, and The Ross, just to name a few. So,
Definitely.
he's been doing this thing for a really long time now. But not only that, he even dabbled in hip-hop. So
Definitely, he's been in so many artists, hip hop tracks, platinum selling albums. Just to name a few, of course.
Okay, go ahead.
Kanye West,
Kanye
P.
West,
Dizzle,
Diddy,
Snoop D.O. Double,
Digo Double.
2 Quarters.
What?
I try to be cool on that one. 50 Cent.
So what?
And
Maxwell, you're right. If you stand up there looking at yourself,
Wow.
look how rock you look. And Chichi, look how loud you sound. You are so loud when you talk.
Chichi,
But anyway,
make sure you fix your hair before you take
ladies and
this thing,
gentlemen, please put your hands together and give
Hold
up.
on, before we
URI,
do that, make sure you guys check out the interns at RocketMail.com.
RocketMail.
Facebook us, the interns, and we here every week to give you guys that daily dose of comedy, rumors, fashion, technology, music, everything.
The whole 9.
Because we love y'all. But without
The
further
moment you've
ado,
been waiting for,
of course,
please give a big, warm, fat, ugly URI welcome to the man of the hour, Theo. Just kidding. Alex Thomas.
President is black, my Lambo's blue, and I be goddamn if my rims ain't too. Mama ain't
a live episode of The Interns. My name is Chichi, and this is
Senator Mills.
It is November 21st, and we are here sitting live at the VAS HIV Awareness Show.
Definitely.
We had a bunch of great performances tonight, but most importantly, we had a beautiful, wonderful, funny set from Mr. Alex Thomas.
Yeah, Mr.
And
Alex
actually, we got a special present for you from us to
Definitely.
you. He's actually here with us.
Like, oh, where is he, yo? I mean,
He was supposed to be here.
he's supposed to be.
Man, shut up and let me just take over the show. Y'all know who it is.
It is
That's
Mr.
Alex Thomas.
Live with The Interns.
Delicious. Yeah.
And we're here, so did you have fun tonight? I mean,
Man, I had a ball.
Yo, he was straight roasting. Like,
He got everybody.
he got it in
I'm
tonight.
far from home too.
you think when I-
Y'all know where I'm from, right? Can you see that?
LA, baby.
Yeah, LA. Yeah, it's 80 back home right now.
Oh, yeah.
I got on the airplane basically naked in a white beater and some goddamn boxers. And I get here, it's 20.
Yeah.
Okay, it's freezing.
Playing though with the cold.
Oh, no, the roads, everything. Like, I'm really not used to this, but
You know what? With it.
I
Okay.
traveled and I came prepared. This was my 53rd city tonight.
Definitely. So how was the vibe in the crowd and whatnot? You know, how did it feel?
Talk about tonight?
Yeah.
Off the chain.
Yeah.
Let me tell you something, Rhode Island, the Rams, he was off the chain.
Shouts out to
Crazy.
Ryan Football.
Shouts out
Yes,
to Lamar
yes.
Odom. Oh, yes.
Oh, what up? You know, and that's the trip. That's why he went here. Hello, Lamar Odom.
Yeah.
The Lakers, he went here. That's actually how I found out about this school. I would have never known. Because at that time, he was like a superstar.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, and he went to
From
the
New York,
yeah, exactly,
Definitely.
from Queens and stuff. But, yeah, man, this was amazing, man. It was a nice mix tonight.
Yeah.
A little bit of everybody, black, white, Puerto Rican, and Asian,
All up in there.
Guyanese, Dominican. It was an international show tonight.
Akon bro was in there.
Oh, Akon Brothers / Akon the DJ, DJ Push Play, DJ Download, DJ Enter, whatever you want to say.
Definitely tonight.
You know,
But yo, you're gonna get more and more from the interns, man. This is me, Chi Chi, and Mr. Alex Thomas.
this is really nice. That's me. Let's make it like I've never been on top. West Coast, son. It's going down, y'all. I'm out on the East Coast, son. This is Rhode Island. It's like 10 minutes long. It's the smallest state in the world.
Smallest
There's
thing.
much love, you know, from LA to Rhode Island. You know what I mean? We appreciate the love. We appreciate what you put out
Alex
there for
Thomas,
us.
The Interns. Thank you so much for coming to Rhode Island. Thank you so much for
Get
being
me
here.
on MySpace too, guys.
MySpace.
Alex Thomas 19. Alex Thomas 1.
/Alex Thomas 19.
Yeah.
Make sure you in there. You know what I
Thank
mean?
you so
This is
much.
the interns. We appreciate y'all. Much love.
Good luck to you guys.
InternsRockingout.com. Thank you so much.
Much love.
Where's my check? Where's my check?
But y'all know the order. Told them 10 rosés and a few cold waters. Tron and a couple of lemons. Go. $10,000 stuffed up in my denims. What else? Standing on couches, couple of women. Hey, baby. We was ballin' hard. It was just the ninth inning.